Rapid leaf drop is a significant problem with rubber plants or ficus elastica. Sometimes the leaves turn yellow and fall off, and sometimes the leaf edges turn brown and then fall off. So in this video, I will explain the major reasons responsible for both types of leaf drop as well as provide the solution. So watch till the end if you want to ensure healthy growth in your rubber plants. First, talk about the type of leaf drop where the leaves turn yellow and then fall off. The falling of the older leaves is a natural process that replaces older leaves with new sets of leaves. But a drastic change of leaf color into yellow and falling off mostly indicates insufficient light exposure. Rubber plants generally require 4 hours of bright indirect light or 1 or 2 hours of direct sunlight. Less than that reduces the photosynthesis rate. As a result, the lower sets of leaves rapidly turn yellow and finally fall off. This excessive leaf drop turns the plant leggy and weak. Not only insufficient light exposure, but also underwatering reduces the water pressure in leaves, turning them yellow and causing them to fall off. Furthermore, stunted growth due to winter dormancy or any repotting stress shows leaf drop issues. Next, talk about the type of leaf drop where the leaves have brown edges and then fall off. Such a type of leaf drop occurs if the plant has root rot. Rubber plants have thick leaves and roots that store water. So, long-term soggy or saturated soil conditions block these roots from uptaking oxygen and rot the roots by fungal infestation. And as a symptom, the leaves show brown edges and then fall off. Furthermore, using partly decomposed organic fertilizers holds excessive moisture in the soil, attracts harmful microbes that also causes root infection and derive leaf drop issues. Sometimes, often underwatering in summer also can show such types of leaf drop. Moreover, low humidity, which is less than 30% humidity, and extreme heat and cold reduce the leaf moisture and cause drastic leaf drop. Another reason that can cause brown leaf edges is the extreme deficiency of potassium. And if not treated early, the plant will drop all the leaves over time. Now, these problems are avoidable if you can fulfill the rubber plant's requirements. Number 1. Maintain the soil moisture. Both overwatering and underwatering cause leaf drop. So, adjusting the soil moisture is very important to avoid all the water-related problems. In order to maintain the soil moisture, first, provide good potting soil. Use well-draining, porous, and water-retentive soil for the rubber plants. I prepared the soil for my rubber plants by adding 2 parts garden soil, 1 part coco peat, 2 parts well-rotten compost, 1 part rice hull, and 1 part charcoal. All together create a breathable soil that does not compact over time, drains out excess water, and holds sufficient moisture. I also recommended some commercial potting soil brand. Check out the links from the description box. After potting soil, the watering should be in control. Water the plant when 70% soil feels nearly dry. Also, the leaves will feel soft and wilted when the plant needs water. Check the upper 2 to 3 inches of the soil moisture before watering. If it feels nearly dry or dried out, water the plant thoroughly. Number 2. Proper light exposure. Rubber plants thrive with at least 4 or 5 hours of bright indirect light. They can do well in an east-facing window or several feet from a south-facing or west-facing window. They can tolerate soft morning 1 or 2 hours of sunlight, but should be kept out of harsh, direct afternoon sunlight. which can burn the leaves, especially the variegated rubber plant leaves. Proper light exposure will combat the plant's growth and recover the yellow leaves problem. Also, sufficient light reduces the chances of overwatering. I grow rubber plants under grow lights, receive 12 hours of 500-foot candle light a day, and have compact upright growth. Number 3. Adjust humidity and protect from extreme temperature. Rubber plants grow well with moderate to warm temperatures between around 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, with moderate humidity between 40 and 50%. If your space is very dry, consider running a humidifier near the plant or group it with other houseplants to create a humid microclimate. Like other types of ficus, these plants are vulnerable to cold drafts. Keep them away from cold windows or exterior doors in winter. Number 4. Pest management. Mealybugs, mites, scales, and aphids are a few common bugs that infestation turn the leaves yellow or have brown edges around the infested area. You can consider using a neem oil solution or insecticidal soap solution once a month to prevent pest infestation. For the infested plant, spray pesticide once a week or once every 2 days based on the infestation intensity. Also, cleaning the leaves with a DIY leaf shining solution prevents pest infestation. I have a detailed video on a DIY leaf cleaning solution, video link in the I button and description box. Number 5. Fertilization to improve growth. Use well-rotten compost or any organic fertilizer to avoid fungal infestation, root rot issues, and any nutrient deficiency. Also, you can use balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer diluted to half straight every 2 weeks throughout the growing season, which is summer. Start fertilizing your plant when you see the first new growth in spring. I have recommended some high-quality products to use for your rubber plant, link in the description box. I generally use a handful of vermicompost once a month. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comment section. If you want to learn more about plant care, propagation, and troubleshoot, then feel free to subscribe with the bell for the future updates. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.